Alright, so we're going to look at a more complex example of an exponential equation with two exponential expressions. So if I want to solve an equation like this, I have to try to undo both exponential expressions, and luckily for us, we can use any log to apply the logarithm law. So I'm going to take the natural log of both sides, and when I do that, now I can apply the logarithm law that moves the exponents to the front and become multiplication. So I end up with x over 4 times the ln of 3 equals the quantity x plus 1 times ln of 2. Now we need to stop and realize that ln of 3 and ln of 2 are just numbers. So we treat them as such, okay? And the problem that people typically run into with this is that we've got an x on the left side and an x on the right side, and furthermore the x on the right side is inside parentheses. But luckily for us, we can fix that up fairly simply by distributing the ln of 2 on the right side and multiplying the ln of 3 on the left side. So on the left side, ln of 3 is over 1, so we can multiply these two fractions straight across and then get x times the ln of 3 over 4 equals, and when I distribute my ln of 2 on the right side, I have x times the ln of 2 plus 1 times the ln of 2, which is just ln of 2. So now we can start to try to solve for these x's, and our eventual goal is to get any term with x on the same side. However, first I need to try to get rid of the fraction by multiplying both sides by 4. So on the left side I get x times the ln of 3. On the right side I get 4x times the ln of 2 plus 4 times the ln of 2. And now my two terms with x need to be on the same side so that I can factor the x out that's common between them. So I'm going to subtract this term to the left. And now I can factor out the x that's common, leaving me with ln of 3 minus 4 times the ln of 2 equals 4 ln of 2. And finally, to solve, I need to divide by everything that's in parentheses here. So I get x equals 4 times the ln of 2 over ln of 3 minus 4 times the ln of 2. And if you put all this into your calculator, first of all, let me make the recommendation that you might put the numerator in parentheses and the denominator in parentheses when you do the division. Just a recommendation though. So if you put this in your calculator and you round to 4 decimal places, we get negative 1.6563. So again, the key to this was treating ln of 3 and ln of 2 just like numbers by distributing or multiplying however you need to, and then finally getting every term with x on the same side as we did here to factor the x out.